Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by narrowing scope. Pick the labels you truly need and why they matter for model decisions. Once done, sample a balanced subset of 500 to 2,000 records to discover edge cases quickly. Make sure to pick a labeling interface that captures metadata like annotator ID and timestamps, because tracking quality later saves time. Start labeling the easiest, high-consensus examples first to establish style and speed. This creates early training data and highlights ambiguous cases you must resolve. You now formalize how to label. Create a short rulebook with clear examples and counterexamples, because consistent labels make models generalize better. Then train 2 to 5 annotators and run a pilot of 100 to 300 items. This lets you measure agreement and revise rules. Once you see low agreement, refine definitions or merge confusing classes. Make sure to track annotator decisions and disagreement cases so you can adjudicate and produce a gold standard set for model tuning. You finish by adjudicating disagreements and assembling a gold standard test set for final validation. Once completed, run automated QA checks to catch invalid values and extreme class imbalance, because those silently harm performance. Make sure to schedule periodic spot checks and monitor label drift as your data or product changes. If problems appear, retrain annotators on updated rules, re-adjudicate a sampled subset, and consider active learning to prioritize uncertain cases for relabeling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.